Okay, next question is for Direct May and Crystal. How was it working with the three of them? What can you say about the cast?
We're looking at the new generation of stars. That's how I felt. As in, like, when I was working with them, nakakapanibago kasi parang iba yung mga lagi kong nakakatrabaho noon. And then, suddenly, these are new faces, new dynamics. First time kong mag-love triangle na ganito ka-tight yung competition. But what really, siguro yung it hit me when I was watching them and when we were, doing our scenes. This is the next gen. This is the new generation of stars and the new generation of love teams. And you're looking at the new leading men and leading ladies of Philippine cinema. And I'm excited and honored to be part of a project that launched them. And it's overwhelming din for me. It was challenging and of course, parang pressure din dahil kasi parang, pinanood sila sa bahay ni Kuya as real people, but now they are actors. And I have to make sure na parang hindi lang sila makikilala sa love team, but as individual stars or makilala sila or ma-appreciate sila for their individual talents. And I'm proud to say that they achieved that. And I'm excited for everyone to witness the talent and yung galing ng lahat sa kanila. Hindi lang silang tatlo, but everyone here on stage.
No, that makes a lot of sense kasi yung PBB, that's non-scripted. So, going to a scripted format, it's a challenge kung how the viewers will appreciate, di ba, the performance na direct.
Yes.
Tal, how was it working with everybody? May collaboration ba with the lines?
Yes.
Because, may maganda yung mga binitawang linya rito eh.
Si Direk May and di ba Direk, pinapabasa namin sa kanila and then we also get their feedback kung ano yung tingin nilang sasabihin ng character nila, ganyan. So ako, I'm really surprised, no? Especially nung nakita ko na si Savannah, si Vic, tsaka si Ellie in the Flesh, nung inacting na nila, dinirect na ni Direk May, ang galing. Sobrang nagulat ako. Tsaka hirap mamili.
I know. And while all eyes are on the three, kamusta naman yung mga ibang kasama nila? How was it, di ba, working with them?
This is not just a love triangle film. This is a film about the youth. And yung cast natin dito, they represent them. Kaya nakakatuwa because hindi tatayo naman yung kwento sa kanilang tatlo lang. But of course, the friendships, the dynamics of everyone on set. Meron dyan yung characters nila, sila yung pwedeng nakakainis, but then very effective.
Sino yung nakakainis?
Watch nyo na lang.
Secret. Ganun pala ang secret ngayon? Okay.
Watch nyo na lang. Pero hindi magiging effective yung love triangle kung walang nag-challenge.
That's true.
So, watch out for kung sino yung mag-challenge. And of course, the friends that support them. So, everyone did an excellent job in bringing out the youthfulness of the film and of course yung kagaling nila lahat eh.
Nice.
Nakakatuwa dahil kasi talagang walang tapon.
Tama. Sai, Rain, anong roles nyo?
I think Direk May set a glimpse of it. My name is Trish here in Love You So Bad and I feel like I give a good challenge to their characters. So, ibang-iba po si Trish sa totoong buhay. Nakakairita. Tirik na tirik yung mata niya. Kakairap. And ayun, I did so many scenes with Bianca na I appreciated na we even talked together na thank you and thank you. So, I hope makita niyo po yun sa screen kung gaano po kami kagaling together. And everybody.
Sai, your role.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my role. It's very challenging.
Plot twist pala, no? Ikaw pala yung ano.
As myself.
Ay, totoo?
As myself, as a best friend of Savannah. Yeah.
So was it easy or was it difficult?
It's very hard. Hindi, ano lang po to. Kung paano po ako sa loob ng bahay, yung puntahan ni Savannah or ni Bianca. Ganon din po. So parang nadala lang namin din sa movie. Pero dito nga po, kagaya po na sabi nyo, this one's scripted. So, kung may bias man, the views and opinions of the guest, kung meron man po siyang ship, ano po yun? Sila direct po ang may ano doon.
Nag-disclaimer ka agad eh, no?
Labas po ako.
Labas ka doon. Vince, what's your role here?
Ako naman, parang sa totoong buhay lang din.
Barkada ni Dustin.
Best friend ni Dustin. And
Okay.
siguro nakita nila yung dynamics namin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Pero dito kakaibang flavor. Iba yung dynamics namin dito sa film na to. Medyo salty.
Ralph, ikaw.
Ako naman, I play Phil, and like in real life, I am Vic's best friend in the movie. So, imbes na challenge, support ako dyan sa bata ko. Diba?
So, real life pala
Flavor,
to.
sweet.
Flavor daw sweet.
Yes, yes.
Zach, ikaw.
Baka ma-spoil ko. No, pero same rin kay Vince, best friend ni Dustin.
Okay.
A little bit salty, baka medyo sweet.
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty. Okay, those questions pala galing sa push. Now, may question tayo from Jason Laluna of Certified Kapamilya. For Dustin and Will, what do you think makes LA or Vic the right person for Savannah?
Wow. Nice question. Wow.
Without spoiling.
Pwede po mag-CR.
Mag-CR lang po kami, ha?
CR break muna, Will.
What do you
Baka
think
ma-spoil eh.
makes LA Vic the right person?
We'll be right back. Nag-commercial
Magbabalik.
break eh.
Pwede mo
I think-
makahingi kami ng tulong.
I think let's go left.
Parang medyo nakakuha ko ng clue kanina doon. I don't know if that's an Easter egg. Parang sinasabi ni Savannah na ikaw yung calm. Ikaw yung kanyang peace.
Yeah.
Tama ba ako?
Mm-mm. Sabi po ni Savannah.
Ikaw naman, LA, ano ka sa buhay ni Savannah?
Siguro ako, kay Savannah, savior.
Kaya mo yan, Will.
Ang hirap ng tanong eh. Kasi every time tatanungin ka, what makes you deserving or what makes you the right person for that person? I believe kasi na walang tamang sagot o walang iisang sagot para dun sa tanong na yun. But it's really more of the efforts, I guess. Yun. Feeling ko dun mas dun nagmamatter.
I get what you mean. Parang sinasabi mo, it's not for you to decide. I give it all my best and it's up to Savannah.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. Direct.
Basta mahal ko si Savannah. Pag may ganon. Di ba? Mahal ni Vic. Oh, mahal ni Vic.
Okay. Direct May, baka meron kang inputs sa characters nila.
Si Vic, parang he's the motivator. He wants what's best for her. He wants to bring out the better version of Savannah. Ganon si Vic.
Si LA,
Si LA naman, he's the savior, he's the protector. Ano niya yan, kumbaga,
Knight in Shining Armor.
negative and negative is equal to positive.
Wow.
So sila, parang kadamay niya sa the highs and the lows. A lot of lows. So, yun.
Ganda. Okay, our next question is from Alan Sancon. Alan, where are you? Ayun, si Alan. Okay, let's pass the mic to Alan, please.
So congratulations everyone. Yeah. So marami na excited for this Love You So Bad. Yung question ko na lang is to Will, to Bianca, and to Dustin. Kumbaga, Love You So Bad, fill in the blanks. If you will remove the so bad, alumawa, si Will, ano yung love you, blank, yan. Love you, Bianca, yung blank, Bianca.
So, imbis na phrase na so bad, think of a different phrase. Love you, blank.
And then si Dustin to Bianca also. And Bianca to both Dustin and Will. Fill in the blanks.
Recitation tayo ngayon.
Siya naman pala.
Sorry.
Kayo.
Dugtungan yung love you, removing the so bad. Start with Will siguro.
Lagot ka. Kaya mo yan, Vic.
Love you.
Mahirap yan, ha? Yung tanong mo. Kahit ako nag-iisip ako, kunyari for Direct May or for Sai, nag-iisip ako. Parang,
This is yung not your character, but in real life.
in real life ba?
Yeah.
Parang for example, kay Direct May, love you my bestie. Parang ganon. Those are two words. Diba? So,
Not necessarily 2 words siguro, no? Kahit one lang.
one sentence.
Oo. Paragraph.
Let's give them the freedom to think kung anong ilang words, 2 syllables, sabi ni Cyril, di ba?
Siguro habang nag-iisip sila, may tanong lang ako kay Direct May.
Okay, let's skip muna that.
Habang nag-iisip sila. Direct May, nung ipinalabas to dun sa MMA presentation, di ba? Parang talagang grabe yung tilian, nakasaling Love You So Bad dun sa MMFF, di ba? Tapos, grabe, palakasan ng tili yung Wilka dun sa Dust Bia, di ba? Yan, is there any pressure on your part na give them equal scene or equal parang presentation on this movie na hindi magagalit yung fans? Bakit mas maraming magandang scene kay Wilka kaysa kay Dustin? Parang ganon.
Actually, when we were filming it, may tali ako. Nakailangan ng ganyan na. Wait, yung scenes ni ganyan. As in, we really were counting.
No
And then, parang binabalanse namin.
Tama naman.
It's not so much yung parang yung thinking of course, we're considering, syempre, they have a huge following and that's a major consideration that it's going to be fair. There's equal exposure and it's balanced. But more importantly, ang sinundan namin ay yung kwento. Kailangan pa rin syempre na, the story is really what is most important here. But it's always, as in, we're always checking pag nag-creative meeting kami, wait, balansehin natin. It has to be fair, ganyan. Wait, too much na ba yung ganito? But, we tried our best to really balance it and to make, of course, the fans, the supporters happy without compromising the story.
Matutuwa or maiinis ba? May maiinis ba na fans at may matutuwa sa ending ng movie?
Sa ending, abangan nyo na lang, watch na lang kayo. Pero ito meron siyang portion talaga na mabamaos yung, kunwari, yung isang team, tapos nun pwedeng tahimik muna yung kabila, and then biglang mamamaos yung kabila, palitan. May rest time kayo. So, pwede mag-rest ang mga throats nyo. Kinonsider namin yun. Ayaw naman namin na all throughout sumisigaw kayo. So, pero by the end of the movie, I assure you, kailangan nyo ng lozenges. At kailangan nyo ng tubig to clear your throats kasi sisigaw at sisigaw kayo. Wag lang kayong magkasakitan, please.
Thank you, Direk. Yan, back to the
Balikan na
question.
natin, Alan.
Siguro naman nakaisip na sila.
Will. Who wants to go first? Kung sino may naisip na.
Baka si Bianca meron na dun sa dalawa.
Ako siguro not as myself, as Savannah.
Okay.
As Savannah, madali lang naman. Love you, my savior. And love you, Mr. Sungit.
Pwede.
Yun na yan, as character.
Will, ikaw. Dustin.
As character.
Pwede, go ahead.
As character. As character, ha?
Paulit-ulit, ha? Narinig ka naman namin.
Okay, mamaya. Ako,
As character, ha?
as character, ha? As character. Kung ako si LA ngayon, ang sasabihin ko kay Vanna ay, makinig ka naman sa akin.
I'm listening to you. I'm always listening.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay, love you forever.
As character. As character yan, ha?
As character, ha? As character.
Nga. Alam mo.
Will, ikaw na lang.
Tapatan mo daw yun, Will.
As character din. Ang sasabihin ko sa'yo, Savannah, love you to the moon and back.
Panahon.
Alright. Thank you, Ala. Oy, thank you, ah.
Okay na yan.
Thank you.
Thank you for answering. Next, let's call in Claire from Rappler.
Hello, congratulations for the film. My question ho is for Bianca. Pwede ka mag-answer as a character or hindi, but what advice would you give to someone who's experiencing the classic love triangle trope?
Ganda mo.
Thank you.
Sareng. Siguro ako, wag kang take your time in choosing. Hindi naman tayo nauubusan ng oras para mamili. And siguro I'll keep this short, but just love as much as you want to. Hindi mo kasalanan na maganda ka at minamahal ka ng dalawang tao. Thanks.
Thank you. And for my next question po, it's for Direk. What aspects po did the PBB House trio play that helped shape the entire film?
I'm sorry?
What aspects po during the PBB House that the trio played in helping shaping the film?
Marami. Actually, marami. I'll just identify some. But in terms of dynamics, without spoiling it, of course, that's why I have to just limit it. First skills, like Dustin, we saw na nabitin siya sa pool ng PBB. So, binigyan namin siya ng isang mahabang pool talaga dito. The dynamics, hirap kasi I might spoil the movie eh. Tapos nun yung si Vic being the good son, nation son. And that's also a part of his character dito. He's also the good son. And then for Savannah, for Bianca, her dynamics with the two, when you watch it, you'll know. I think when you watch it, you'll know. So I don't want to specify because I might spoil it. But definitely, when you watch it, you will really, really, really know.
Wait, I'm curious lang din, how close are your characters to your real-life personalities?
Gaano ka close? Siguro, malapit sa akin kasi kagaya nga ng sinabi ni Direk May, malapit siya sa nanay niya.
Okay.
Mapagmahal siya sa family niya. And pag meron siyang gustong gawin, gustong abutin, talagang gagawin niya, ibibigay niya yung 100% best niya. So, malapit-lapit din naman talaga.
Okay, you may go out muna.
Thank you po.
Magsi-CR lang si Will.
Okay po.
Go, Will.
Sasama daw po silang dalawa.
Ano ba po mo?
Nakakaloka tong cast members.
Ganyan po sila ka-close.
Okay, wait. Oh, sige, Dustin, ikaw muna. How close is your character to your real life?
How close is my character?
Adventurous, di ba? Parang ganun eh.
I would say same kami kung paano kami magmahal sa isang tao. Pero yung bigat ng character ko medyo malayo.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yung bubog niya medyo malayo talaga.
Yeah.
Alright. B?
Ako siguro, sobrang lapit. Nagulat nga ako, parang, okay. Super lapit. As in, Savannah is super close to my heart and she's really close to me. Pero, she's like Bianca, pero siguro mga times 10 or more, times 20, 30 daw. So, parang nung ginagawa ko siya, uuwi ako minsan. Tapos, alam mo yung, pag nagmumuni-muni ka sa shower, with the hot shower, the bubble bath pa minsan, how is Savannah's brain wired? Kung ang dami nangyayari sa utak niya, pero, but I love her. I love her for being so real. I love her for being so raw, for being so unapologetic. So, yeah, that's her. She's Savannah.
She's Savannah.
She's Savannah.
Okay.